this is a tutorial on how to change PLDT password. So first, go into Google Chrome and then type PLDT change password. Click the first link. How do I change my Wi-Fi password? And then mapupunta na siya dito sa website ng PLDT. Ayan, so sa number 1 dito, meron ditong on your browser, just type itong link. But yung gagawin lang natin is open link in new tab. And then ayan, your connection is not private, just click the advanced. And then may baba, meron ditong proceed to, ayan, and save. Click mo lang yan and mapupunta na siya dito. Username, click the PLDT home and also the password. Click mo lang yung current password ng inyong PLDT. And then sign in. Ayan, so mapupunta na siya dito sa PLDT home, advanced setting, and Wi-Fi setting. And insert mo lang dyan yung password mo or yung new password. And make sure na same siya dun sa confirm password. And also dito sa Wi-Fi setting, click mo lang ulit yung password. Pwede naman na yung admin setting password and yun sa Wi-Fi setting is same. Okay lang yun. Ayan, so enable, walang gagalawin dyan. And then, click save. Ayan, setting change successfully. And mapupunta siya dito nun. Ayan, so username, PLDT home, and password, insert mo lang dyan yung pinalit mo or yung current password mo. And then sign in. Oh, no connection. Okay, so no connection siya because when you change the password of your Wi-Fi is mag-automatic na madi-disconnect siya. So dapat i-connect mo lang siya para ma-insert mo yung bagong password para makakonect ka. Ayan. So, sign in. Ayan. So, ayun na. Ganun lang kadaling mag-change ng PLDT password.